In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate still photos in Davinci Resolve. Animating still photos can bring your projects to life by adding motion and depth to otherwise static images. Whether you're creating a dynamic slideshow or adding a professional touch to your video project, this technique will elevate your video editing skills. Let's start by opening Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already downloaded the software, you can easily find it on the Blackmagic Design website. Once it's installed and running, navigate to the home interface and click on an existing project, or create a new one if you'd like. This will help us organize and manage our media efficiently as we proceed. Now direct your attention to the bottom of the screen and select the edit page. This workspace is where we'll perform most of our animation tasks. Here you can import your photographs by dragging them directly into the media pool. Once your photos are in the media pool, it's time to get to work. Find a photo you'd like to animate, right click on it, and look for the option that says Change Clip Duration. By adjusting the duration, you dictate how long the animation will last. Typically around 5 to 10 seconds will suffice for most animations, but you can tailor this duration to suit your creative needs. With your photo selected and ready, we're now set to add the animation itself. On the right side of your screen, look for the Inspector panel. This is your control hub for many of the photo's attributes. Make sure the photo is highlighted, then head over to the Transform options. This is where we can breathe life into those still images. Use the position, zoom, and rotation settings to create a movement path for your photo. Start by setting a keyframe at the beginning of your clip, indicating where and how the photo should be positioned initially. Then move the playhead to another point in the timeline, altering the position, zoom, or rotation features. As you adjust these controls, you'll see that Davinci Resolve automatically inserts keyframes, creating a smooth transition between the beginning and ending points of your animation. It's like telling a story. You're guiding the photo through a visual journey. As you tweak these settings, take the time to experiment with the ease in and ease out functions. These allow your movements to start slowly and build up, or to decelerate towards the end, adding a professional looking flow to your animations. Once you're satisfied with the animation, it's crucial to preview your work by playing it back in the timeline. Make any necessary adjustments until the motion looks seamless and meets your vision. By following these steps, you will have successfully animated a still photo in Davinci Resolve, adding a new skill to your video editing toolkit. Keep practicing, explore the features, and you'll be a pro in no time. Happy editing!